Hi there, and happy Thanksgiving. To me, Thanksgiving isn't just a day, it's a concept, a habit, and a premise. You can call it attitude of gratitude or counting your blessings. I've practiced thankfulness habitually, and even more so the older I get. Being thankful for the good things I have had, or have experienced. Counting my many blessings elevates my attitude and my disposition. Even through the toughest challenges I've faced, I can always find things to be grateful for. And when I focus on those things rather than my problems, it changes my perspective and my outlook. It just makes me feel better. As concerns S5 and this particular Thanksgiving holiday, I'm thankful for my privilege to lead a great company with a fantastic, dedicated team. I'm thankful for the many friends, colleagues, and associates that I work with. I'm thankful for all of you, our customers, who have helped us to build such a great organization. And as I like to say, thankfulness is a lot like bacon. It makes everything in life taste better. Happy Thanksgiving.